Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nitmana. So friends, the series that we have already started, that e-commerce using Vue.js and Laravel as backend. So we'll just continue that series, and in this video we'll try to complete the home banner section that is pending in the previous video. So friends, if you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel and also click on the like button. And if you want to support us or help us by any means, you can also check out this link. This link is also available in the description box. If you are outside from the India, so click on the international payment, enter your details, the amount, and click on pay. Right. So okay, move on to the admin part. So last time we just created this data table of home banner. So in this video, we'll just create the CRUD operation of update and delete. And from the single page, we also set up that how to like create new data into the table, and we also update into the same page. Like from this page, we can create the new entries and update the previous entries, right? So moving to the code. So basically this is our code, uh, that we use. And in the previous yes, so now what we'll do, we basically create a button over here, and from the button we have will create the created new home banner item. And in the actions section, we'll set up two things like update and delete, right? So for the button part, we'll just go to the admin folder that already have, going to the vertical section, sorry. So going to vertical, and I'll just click on any file. Not this one. I think this should be okay. Oops, we don't have to upload. Open any file, and this will show the sidebar as well. So we have to go to the components, after that buttons. Now we have buttons, so I will just click on the inspect button. I'll copy this button by going to the edit as HTML. I think the button has been deleted. Let me see. Just refresh, going to the button, click on it, edit as HTML, right? Okay, one thing more, that I have to start this. Just click on A and C. Now we'll set up this button over here, right? Just format it. Now I also have to set up this button over here, this action. And sorry, but we don't want this column to be there. We just also only copy the button part. So just paste it over here and paste over here. Now where the info is exists, this will called as update. And inside the interval, will write the danger will represent the red color. So this will delete. So spelling DELET, DELET, right? Just save it and check it once, right? So this is update and delete. So in place of info, I will write create new home banner. Create new banner. Save it. Now we have like a create new home banner button and update. But as I already said, that we have to manage the CRUD operation in the single page. Like when I'm clicking on update, a form should appear which already have the pre-filled values, these pre-filled values. And when I'm clicking on this creating new home banner button, the form will be blank and we have to input the values. So how I will do that? So simply go to the Google and write uh, bootstrap pop-up model. Make sure that if you're using same admin panel that we are using, so it actually has the bootstrap version 5. So make sure that you also use that bootstrap version 5, right? So just we have to the pop-up model should look like this. When we are clicking on the button, the form will appear. So for that only copy these things, like only this control C, and we also want mm, this part, control C, right? So as if you are using Windows 11, so you have option for the multiple copy, and after that now this is our model part, and we also set up that model main model part, that is this, right? Save it and we'll check it, refresh. Yes, this the form actually appears now, but if you see, this is the blank page, and this model is a little bit small. So firstly, we also want a large model over here. So for that, we go to the same page, and if you scroll down, mm, more, yes. So for the large model, we have to, like, this is extra large, this is large model, and this last one is the small. So I already only wants to this large model, so I'll copy this, and after model dialog I will place this class. So this is model dialog, I will place this class, refresh the page. Yes, now this is perfectly working. So now I want the form over here. So for the form, just go to the admin panel, and for the form that we have forms of option over here. Form layout, scroll down, yes, this form I will use that this one label and input field should be at the right side. Just go to the inspect. So where this, I think mm, this should be okay. Edit as HTML, control A, control C. Now inside this model body I will just paste that. Okay, just check it once. Click on home banner. So this is working perfectly fine. Now I will remove this register, as I already have this save changes and close button. So the field that I don't want, I will erase that field. So in the home banner, I only have that text, link and image, right? So I will remove this, create home banner, yeah, or I will write update home banner, or just simply write home banner, because we are using this same page in both of the, when we are creating new entry, or we are updating the previous one. So in the home banner, we already have three things, that is text, link and image. So firstly I write text, the id and okay, there is no name. I will write name, and this, it should be text. After that uh, link, mm, and there should be name. Mhm. Link, right? Now I only want image to be here. So the rest of the thing that I don't want, I will erase that. Simply click on this, till to press, remove this. I also don't want this check box, remove this, and also the register button as well, because I already have save changes and close button. This, yes. Now I only want a image part. So for the image, write it over here, image, and input type should be file, name should be image. But for the ID, I will go to the profile.blade.php. Mm, Here we already set up that image part. Now this input type ID should be photo, and we also want a preview of the image, because if you go to the user profile section, whenever we are selecting a new file like this, it actually updates and previews the file on the other side. So we'll do the same thing, and firstly I will copy the ID of photo which we're using in the script part. And another thing that I will do, just copy this one as well, control 1, and where is that images is ID is equal to photo, control 2. So why I'm using this control 1 and control 2, if I will show you the multiple copy paste. So this is the function that I'm using in the VS Code, multiple copy paste. You can enable that extension if you want to use. Just this, and we also have to show the preview of the image. I'll copy this. um, Now I don't have any kind of auth user image previews this, right? Save this, and after that I will create a script part. Why we I will create a script part? Just when we are adding the new things, like to adding when we are adding the new things the same page, to update that fields into the form part, will update with the script part, right? um, yes. Now in this I've created function save data like this, and firstly I send that id text link and image, id text link image. Hmm, when I'm creating the new button, yes, adding create new home, yes, in this button, when where I'm creating the new home bar. Mm, let me show you this. So this is the button, like create a new home banner, this button. So I will create a function on click is equal to, sorry, save data. Let me check the name of the function, save data, right? Save data. So the first value, as it is id, then text, then link, then now as you show id text link image, so it is 4 field. So by default I am putting the id 0, because to check at the backend and test the thing I will add it black, and I will copy this function and add into the update part, this one. Now from the dollar list id, just copy this, paste it here, and hey, oops, right. uh my next thing is text and link, the one is image, right? And one more thing, By clicking when we are able to show that pop-up model. This is because we are using this database toggle model and target. So I'll copy these two things as well to the update part. So when we are updating, we also want to the pop-up model to be shown, right? In the delete part, we don't want to show any pop-up model. In the delete part, we only want to show that if you want to confirm button, that if you want to delete this or not, right? And text, right? So this is id text, id link, id photo. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But we don't have any id input field, so I will write input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to id, and id is equal to id. Now just simply write these things. Hashtag id dot val id text link text link. Now for the image, just simply go to the profile section. uh, no, not on this. I will create the image part. Firstly I will check these if these things are working or not. Save it and reload the page. When I'm clicking the home, you will see I think there is something wrong in the preview image. Mhm. Why it show like this? Actually this image is inside this row mb3, so I will put it outside this and also format the document. One more thing is there that I'm not using any kind of form here, so I will also create a form element. Form action url update underscore home underscore banner and enc type is equal to multiple form data. And that is CSRM. Save this and check it. Now this is blank. This is as we are creating the new home banner. I will fix this one as when we are updating this. So there should be like to be seen over an upload button, but I will do it later when clicking on update. Yes. Now the things are pre-filled like this. When I'm clicking on new home button, home banner, things are empty, fields are empty. Sorry, and on this the fields are pre-filled. So uh, so in the next one I will set up this home banner and saves the data into the backend as well. So hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button as well. Thank you.